In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create seamless patterns using Canva and Printify. We're going to build a clean, repeatable tile in Canva that you can use over and over on products. And then export it in a format that's perfect for print. On-demand platforms like Printify. Start by opening a brand new custom canvas in Canva. For high quality, choose either 12 by 12 inches or 4000 by 4000 pixels. Larger sizes give you more detail and smoother results when the pattern repeats across a product. So 4000 by 4000 is a great all-purpose choice. Next, add your graphics to the canvas. Spread them out so everything isn't clustered in the center. Variety in placement creates a more organic pattern. So play with scale and rotation, and mix large focal elements with smaller accents. Leave a little breathing room near the edges for now. We'll handle those placements with precision. To create the seamless repeat, place one graphic so it touches the left edge of the canvas. Duplicate it, and move the copy straight across to the right edge in the exact same vertical position. Canva's purple snap guides will help you align it perfectly. You want those edge elements to be mirror placements, so the tile connects cleanly when repeated. Do the same for the top and bottom edges. Place an element on the top edge, duplicate it, and snap the copy to the bottom edge at the exact same horizontal position. For corner elements, drag one element so it sits right in a corner. Then duplicate it to all four corners. Make sure each one sits centered in its corner using the purple guides. Corners are where four tiles meet, so this symmetry is what prevents gaps or overlaps in the final pattern. Now fill the middle area. Add more elements to create balance and rhythm. But avoid crossing the edges with anything new. Keeping center elements fully inside the tile ensures the repeat stays seamless. Step back and look for even spacing. A good mix of sizes and consistent style so the pattern feels cohesive. When you are happy, download the image as a PNG with a transparent background. This pro feature gives you maximum flexibility, letting you place the pattern over any color or product material later without a visible box around it. Your exported tile is now ready for use on products that support repeating patterns, including many in Printify's catalog. Because you built it to be seamless, it will tile edge to edge cleanly. That's it. Thanks for watching.